Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Oxford Full Guide. Start by researching your chosen course, college options, and specific entry requirements on the official site. Gather transcripts, test scores, and any portfolio materials early. Create a calendar for deadlines and interviews. Contact referees now so they have time to prepare strong recommendations. Prioritize clarity in your personal statement, and make a draft schedule for each application step. Prepare for admissions tests methodically with a study plan and timed practice sessions. Focus on past papers, exam formats, and sections you find hardest, while tracking progress weekly. Consider short courses or tutors only if they address specific weaknesses. Keep test registrations and ID documents organized, and plan travel to test centers in advance. Balance study with rest to avoid burnout and ensure your best performance on the day. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes staying focused on applications easier by handling floors with voice control and smart mapping, so you get more study time. It's a neat little upgrade if you want fewer chores while prepping for tests and interviews. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Craft a concise personal statement showcasing your academic curiosity, related reading, and relevant projects or work experience. Use specific examples to demonstrate skills and commitment rather than generic phrases. Ask teachers or mentors for references early, offering a summary of your achievements to help them write strong letters. Revise your statement multiple times and seek feedback from trusted advisors familiar with Oxbridge expectations before final submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.